Hello everyone, this is Cyril from the IT Bros. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to add or remove programs from Startup in Windows 11 using several methods, including the Task Manager, the Startup folders, and the registry. This will give you full control over which application launches when your Windows device boots. In Windows 11, the Task Manager is the main tool for managing startup programs. To open it, right-click the taskbar and select Task Manager. Go to the Startup Applications tab. Here you'll find a list of programs, scripts, and commands that are added to Windows Startup, but not all of them start automatically. Users can enable or disable the Auto Start feature for any of these programs by clicking on them and selecting the appropriate option from the menu. However, Task Manager is missing tools that would let you add new applications to the startup or remove current entries. The easiest way for users to add their own custom applications to the startup is via the Startup folders. Open the Run menu and execute the shell startup command. This will open the Startup folder in the current user's profile in File Explorer. To launch an application automatically, when this user logs in, simply copy the shortcut to the program, executable file or script into this folder. As you can see, I have copied the Zoom client shortcut to the shell startup directory, and it now appears in the list of startup apps in Task Manager. To ensure the application launches automatically upon any user login, copy its shortcut to the system's shell common startup folder. To add startup items to it, you need administrator privileges. You can list startup applications using PowerShell. Open an elevated console and enter the command Get-CimInstance Win32 startup command. It will list the applications in startup, including how they are added to startup. The value of the location attribute makes this clear. Note that some programs are added to the startup via the registry. Indeed, Windows maintains several predefined registry keys whose items run automatically upon user logon. Some of these registry keys are located in the Heike local machine system hive, while others are located in the Heike current user hive. I'm going to show how to add the Zoom client to startup via the registry. Navigate to the specified registry key. The description for this video includes a full list of startup registry keys. I created a new string item with an arbitrary name, which should be convenient enough for identifying the element. Then I add the path to the executable that needs to launch automatically to this registry parameters value. Let's check that the new startup item has appeared in Task Manager. To remove startup programs absent from shell startup folders, locate and delete their corresponding registry entries. Deleting an entry from the registry immediately removes it from the list of startup application. That's all. Like the video and subscribe our channel for more tips. Have a nice day.